Deborah Argan of Luxury Experience, and I'm here at the Chandler restaurant with the executive chef, Kyle Beausoleil. And not only is this Chandler Steakhouse, but this New Englander also knows seafood.
Oh yeah, for sure, definitely. You can't not know seafood in New England.
No, born and bred in Connecticut.
Connecticut. Quiet corner.
Lived in Connecticut, Massachusetts, and great steakhouse experience as well as seafood experience. What are some of your favorite items on the Chandler Steakhouse menu right now?
Right now, I really like our shrimp, the shrimp scampi or the garlic shrimp. We have wonderful New Yorks. I'm trying to think. Our macaroni and cheese is really good.
Isn't that the truffle mac?
Yeah, the truffle mac and cheese. Yeah.
And also, I love the lobster crab cake.
Yeah, so the lobster cake is kind of something that's, not officially on the menu just yet, but it will be. Those who know about it tend to be able to get it.
And for luxury experience readers, the lobster cake recipe from Chef Kyle Beausoleil will be in Luxury Experience in the Chef's Recipe section. So
that's great.
Check that out.
That's awesome. Yeah, that's
absolutely phenomenal, and I loved it. What the lobster cake has in it, a little secret ingredient, is some green apple, and it gives it a really fresh tasting. Makes it a lot different than a normal lobster cake. It's absolutely beautiful. And what about some of your steaks that you've got going?
So right now we have the 3 steaks. We have the bone-in ribeye, we have the New York, and then we have the filet. And then for the new menu, we're probably going to put on a skirt steak, a marinated skirt steak, a 20-ounce or 18-ounce Kansas City bone-in strip, and then the big 32-ounce tomahawk ribeye. That'll be carved tableside, so that'll be kind of our showpiece.
Yeah, 32 ounces. Did you hear that? 32 ounces.
Yeah.
I mean, what kind of a plate does it come on? I mean,
it's actually going to come on a cutting board. We're actually bringing it out on a cutting board. So,
excellent. I think that would be great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Chef Kyle.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for having me.
On Luxury Experience, you can read more at luxuryexperience.com. Have a great day and keep enjoying travel.